Welcome back to Classy Choice. When passion meets precision, and heritage fuses with innovation, you get this, the Ferrari. It's more than just a car, it's a rolling sculpture, a high-octane piece of Italian art. Today on Classy Choice, we're diving deep into what makes Ferrari not just a brand, but a legend. From its breathtaking design to its pulse-racing performance, this is Ferrari, Unleashed. Let's start with the visuals. Just look at it. Every line, every angle is engineered to seduce. The sculpted curves, the low-slung stance, those air intake fins, they all scream performance. The front fascia is aggressive yet elegant. LED headlamps that pierce the dark with attitude. And around back, quad exhausts and a diffuser that tell you, it's not here to play. Step inside, and it's a different world. A cabin draped in Alcantara, Nappa leather, and carbon fiber accents. It's minimal, yet deeply immersive. You're not sitting in a car. You're strapping into a cockpit. The seats are sculpted to hug your body at high speeds, while dual-zone climate control and a premium sound system remind you, yes, this is luxury. Italian craftsmanship at its finest. But let's talk about the heart. Under the hood lies a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8, or specify model-specific engine, pushing out an insane 710 horsepower. 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds. That's supercar territory, and then some. The dual-clutch 7-speed transmission is lightning quick. Steering, razor-sharp. Suspension, adaptive, intelligent, and race-tuned. Whether it's track day or a weekend escape, this Ferrari delivers pure exhilaration. Ferrari has upped its tech game. The central touchscreen offers seamless access to navigation, Apple CarPlay, and performance telemetry. Digital clusters give real-time data, from G-forces to tire temps. But unlike mass-market luxury cars, this tech doesn't distract, it enhances. So, what's the price of perfection? Expect to start north of $250,000, depending on trims and options. Add carbon extras, bespoke stitching, or track packages, and you'll touch $300,000 easily. Is it worth it? If you measure value by exclusivity, heritage, and performance that borders on addictive, absolutely. White heavy checkmark pros. Iconic design that turns heads. Blistering performance. Luxurious and race-ready interior. Deep heritage and exclusivity. Crossmark cons. Not exactly daily driver friendly. Tech is functional but not futuristic. Price? Well, it's a Ferrari. But honestly, if you're considering a Ferrari, you're not looking for practicality. You're chasing emotion. And this car delivers it in spades. If this Ferrari revved your heart like it did ours, give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment, what's your dream spec? And don't forget to subscribe to Classy Choice for more premium reviews of the world's most exquisite machines. Until next time, stay driven. Classy Choice logo animation plus cinematic Ferrari Rev outro sound.